Good morning, students. Welcome to today's English class. So today we'll start our class with the writing task. But before doing that, I just want to ask examples of the idiom that we have done in our, Monday class. Monday की class में हमने एक idiom की थी. I told you an idiom and I told you to just look for the examples and I'll be asking you the example every day from a different child. So raise your hands. The one who wants to tell me the example. Yes, raise your hands. Okay, it is Astik. Yes, Astik.
Patrick worked round the clock to complete his homework.
Very nice. Very nice. So our idiom, what was the idiom, Astik?
Ma'am, round the clock.
Round the clock or around the clock? One and the same thing. And what is its meaning?
Ma'am, to work without any break.
To work without any break, to work through day and night. Very good, right answer. So you gave a very good example related to your chapter only. Patrick worked round the clock to complete his work. Very nice, right answer. Okay ji. Very good. So I'll be asking you the examples daily from different student. Okay. But I don't think that we have a class tomorrow. So let me ask one more example from anyone else. It was Pranay. Pranay, yes, beta. Pranay, unmute yourself, bachche.
I worked round the clock, but I didn't pass.
But I didn't pass. Oh, you should have passed, beta. If you have worked around the clock, then you must have passed. हो जाना चाहिए था. Very good. Otherwise, right answer. I'm just joking. Right answer, beta. Very good. So now, beta ji, I am not getting your homework notebooks for correction as per the time given. मैंने आपको कल का टाइम दिया था मॉर्निंग 10 और 11 AM. But I'm not getting your notebooks for correction and many of the students haven't sent it. Only a few notebooks I have got. Manya, mute yourself. Right? मुझे सिर्फ थोड़ी सी notebooks मिली हैं and one more thing that I want to make you clear, beta, whatever the time constraint is given to you, you need to send me your notebooks only in that specific period. If I'm saying tomorrow means tomorrow, if I'm saying 10 AM means 10 AM, right? So you just send me your notebooks within that time frame. And one more thing, I told you that from now onwards, we'll not be sending you the answer key. You just write the answers on your own as you have read the chapter carefully. You need to be attentive in the class. And when you read the chapter properly, there is no scope. There is no scope left that you cannot find the answer of that question. And if there is a huge mistake in the answer or your answer is not correct, then don't worry. Don't worry at all. We teachers are there to help you and we'll be sending you the model answer. Then you can correct that. I mean, if the answer is totally wrong, it becomes difficult to write on the laptop or mobile everything. So if the answer is wrong, no need to get panic, no need to worry. What we will doing, we'll be sending you the model answers. एक ऐसा बच्चा जिसके सारे answers ठीक हों, उसका आपको share कर दिया जाएगा and then you will be able to write that answer again and you will be able to correct your mistakes. Fine. So I hope you will send me your homework properly in the given time period. Fine. Yes, Gurnaz, you wanted to ask me something?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी
Good
बोलो.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning जी.
Ma'am, I want to ask about bookmarks.
हाँ जी बोलो.
Ma'am, I have made one bookmark, but ma'am, we have to make only one bookmark or 2-3 bookmarks?
Only one bookmark is sufficient, but that bookmark should be in the remembrance of Shakespeare. I mean,
Yes.
it should relate to Shakespeare in any ways. You can draw.
So, ma'am, we will send photo.
Yes,
or
beta.
that, or
you will send the photo of bookmark along with yourself. आप साथ में उसको पकड़ के या उसको बुक में रख के दिखा के, दैट इज योर क्रिएटिविटी कि आप अपनी पिक कैसे भेजना चाहते हो, बट यू
Okay,
शुड बी
ma'am.
देयर इन द पिक. Okay, only
Okay,
then
ma'am.
we'll be able to share in the group and the others also should know कि किसने बनाया और कौन है ये बच्चा. Pranay, Parneet, do you want to ask something? No? Okay, then I'm proceeding towards our writing task. So once again, a very good morning, children. So today we are going to do a writing task that is bio sketch. Okay, just a minute. So what is a bio sketch? A bio sketch or a biographical sketch. The full name of bio sketch is biographical sketch, is a brief summary of a person's life achievements. Yes, beta. Do you, I mean, you know it very well. What is a bio sketch? This is not a new topic for you. You have done it in your 5th standard also. So what do we do in a bio sketch? We just give the detail of a concerned person in a short manner. Summary. That is why we have called it a brief summary. Summary means to tell something in a short manner or in a short way. So biographical sketch contains that person's life achievements, the person which we have told to write about. जिसके बारे में हमें लिखने के लिए बोला गया है, we just write everything about that person in a short way. So that is known as a bio sketch or a biographical sketch. So what does it include? It includes educational, professional accomplishments, awards, and rewards that highlight important aspects of his experiences or training, etc. So हम बायो स्केच में लिखते क्या क्या हैं? हम उसकी पूरी एजुकेशन के बारे में लिखते हैं. What is his or her educational background? What is his or her professional achievements? कि उसने professionally क्या achieve किया है? उसको कौन कौन से अवार्ड्स या रिवॉर्ड्स मिले हैं. First of all, we'll start the bio sketch with the name of the personality. Don't just start it with the educational accomplishments कि मैम ने तो ऐसे लिखा था तो कर दिया. I'm just telling you कि what is included in the bio sketch. So you will start the bio sketch with the name of the personality, his or her age. Then you come to his educational background. Then you come to his professional accomplishments, and then you come to awards or rewards. And you also highlight the important aspects of his experiences कि उसने अपनी लाइफ में क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया है, क्या क्या अचीव किया है. And if something special is there, some sort of special training is there, then you will mention that also, right? So you're going to mention everything. Beta, I agree that in 5th standard you have done bio sketch related to like your teacher, canteen owner, librarian, or gardener, etc., etc. But in 6th standard, I mean, level is a bit up. Now you need to write a bio sketch on maybe some famous or renowned personalities like Kiran Bedi, Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Bahadur Shastri. So clues will be given to you. Don't worry, clues will be given to you. So what will you do? You will just develop the full sentences, right? So it will be an easy task for you, and it is always easy to write anything in English, whether clues have been given or not. Whatever teacher is telling you, or if you follow the proper steps, if you follow the proper procedure, then there is no scope left that you are not going to write it properly, right? So आप हर चीज अच्छे से लिख सकते हो. Only need is to be focused in the class. Focused होके बैठो, listen to your teacher properly, and everything is going to be very, very easy for you. Now, bio sketch. Now, what we have learned till now, written by someone else. ये तो मैंने अभी आपको नहीं बताया था, इसलिए नहीं बताया because this question I want to ask from you. What do we write our own bio sketch or is it written by someone else? Just raise your hands and tell me. क्या हम अपना bio sketch खुद लिखते हैं या कोई और person हमारे बारे में लिखता है? करमन.
मैम हम खुद भी लिख सकते हैं, कोई और भी लिख सकता है मैम.
हम खुद भी लिख सकते हैं, कोई और भी लिख सकता है. एनीवन एल्स? दक्षिता,
मैम कोई और लिखता है हमारा बायो स्केच।
कोई और लिखता है हमारा बायो स्केच। तो जो हम खुद लिखते हैं वो क्या होता है?
मैम वो हम किसी के लिए लिख रहे हैं। अगर हम
ओके, आई अग्री। अब मैं अपनी लाइफ पे खुद एक बुक लिख रही हूँ, जैसे जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने अपने ऊपर लिखी है या महात्मा गांधी जी ने अपने ऊपर लिखी है, तो उसको मैं क्या बोलूंगी? What do we say that thing? उसका नाम क्या है? Specific terminology has been given to that thing. The thing which is written by ourselves for ourselves. Pranay, do you know? Shriyan? Shriyan?
मैम नोवेल।
Novel? नहीं, it is not novel. Parneet? जिसको भी पता अपने आप बता दो।
गुड मॉर्निंग
मैम
मैम।
ऑटोबायोग्राफी।
Autobiography. Clap for Astik. So beta, one is autobiography and another is biosketch. Autobiography is written by the person himself or herself. जो अपने लिए खुद लिखता है उसको हम ऑटोबायोग्राफी कहते हैं, और अगर हम किसी के लिए लिखते हैं तो वो हो जाता है बायोग्राफिकल स्केच या बायोग्राफी। किसी के लिए लिखना बायोग्राफी, और अगर हम पूरी बुक लिख रहे हैं तो वो हो जाती है बायोग्राफी। अगर हम उसको शॉर्ट वे में लिख रहे हैं तो वो हो जाता है बायोग्राफिकल स्केच। एंड ऑटोबायोग्राफी इज टू राइट अबाउट योरसेल्फ बाय द पर्सन हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ। जो खुद अपने बारे में लिखता है उसको ऑटोबायोग्राफी कहते हैं। वेरी गुड आस्तिक। सो दिस इज अ बायोस्केच, वी आर डूइंग बायोस्केच हियर, सो इट इज ऑलवेज रिटन बाय समवन एल्स। मैं अपना बायोस्केच नहीं लिखूंगी, मैं किसी का लिखूंगी। Includes life and activities of a person, as I told you in the previous slides. It includes life and activities of a person. एक ऐसी personality जिसके बारे में हमें लिखने के लिए बोला गया है। We write about him or her. Includes facts about a person's life. So उसकी life के क्या क्या facts है? We also mention all those facts in our bio sketch. Special awards, recognitions be mentioned. Be mentioned की means you need to mention all those awards or recognition which that specific personality has got. जो भी उसको अवार्ड्स मिले हैं, many sportsmen are there, many politicians are there, many IPS IAS officers are there, many leaders are there. So they have got one or the other kind of award or reward or special kind of recognition. Like किसी को कोई PhD की डिग्री, डॉक्टरेट डिग्री ही ऑनर करने के लिए मिल जाती है किसी को। तो जो भी हमें बताया गया है, जो भी हमें उस पर्सन के बारे में, उसके अवार्ड्स के बारे में बताया, वी नीड टू मेंशन दैट। मेन पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स एंड व्हाई पीपल लाइक हिम और हर। यस, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट। वी नीड टू राइट दिस बायो स्केच इन एन एडमायरेबल मैनर। हमें इसको एडमायरेबल मैनर में लिखना चाहिए, सो दैट दैट पर्सन इज प्रेज्ड बाय अस। उसकी ताकि हम प्रेज कर सकें और लोगों को बता सकें कि व्हाई डू वी लाइक हिम और हर। ओके, इट कैन बी एन एक्टर ऑल्सो। करमन ने चैट में लिख के भेजा है, इट कैन बी एन एक्टर ऑल्सो। वेरी गुड करमन, यस इट कैन बी एन एक्टर। ओके, सो हाउ टू राइट अ बायो स्केच? हाउ टू राइट? some points that you need to know. It should be written in third person. Obviously beta, when we are writing about anyone else, so we need to write it in a third person. We cannot use I, we, you etc. क्योंकि हम किसी के बारे में लिख रहे हैं, थर्ड पर्सन के बारे में लिख रहे हैं, so it should be written in third person. It should be written descriptively. Descriptively होता है the quality of describing that person about her or her achievements. जब हम उसके बारे में उसकी क्वालिटीज को हाईलाइट करते हैं तो उसको डिस्क्राइब करने की क्वालिटी को हम डिस्क्रिप्टिवली बोल देते हैं. सो इट शुड बी रिटन डिस्क्रिप्टिवली. Any sort of information given in clues should never be skipped. Yes, as I already told you, you will be given clues to write that bio sketch, so you need not to skip any of the clues. जितने भी clues आपको दिए गए हैं आपको वो सारे clues include करने उसके bio sketch में. Emphasize on portraying a person in an admirable manner. अभी मैंने आपको बोला कि you should emphasize on that personality. You should portray his personality in such a way that that person is admired by you. We need to admire that person. Only then, only for that reason we are going to write the bio sketch of that personality, ताकि लोगों को पता चल सके कि उसने अपनी लाइफ में कितने अच्छे अच्छे काम किए हैं. ओके जी. सो फॉर्मेट तो नहीं कह सकती, जस्ट आउटलाइन. फॉर्मेट मैंने वैसे ही नाम दे दिया है. सो व्हाट इज आउटलाइन ऑफ बायो स्केच? एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, यू नीड टू स्टार्ट बायो स्केच विद द नेम एंड एज, राइट. देन मेन पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेट्स, उसकी पर्सनैलिटी कैसी है, उसके इंटरेस्ट क्या है. यू नीड टू मेंशन हिज और हर हॉबीज आल्सो इफ इट इज गिवन. Then you come to education and training. So what is his or her educational background, and if any sort of special training he has done, then you need to mention that also. Special contribution or research, yes, कुछ जैसे साइंटिस्ट ही हो गए या कोई और पर्सनालिटीज हैं, किसी स्पेसिफिक फील्ड में कोई रिसर्च की है किसी ने, तब हमें वो भी लिखनी है. Then why people like him or her, and why, उसमें बेटा जो स्पेशल पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स हैं, दो स्पेशल पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट्स मेक दैट पर्सन स्पेशल and make that person important. That is why people like him or her. So हम उनको बहुत अच्छे से बताएंगे. So here on this slide I have written a sample bio sketch. Sample bio sketch means I have written a bio sketch for you people so that you get to know how to write a bio sketch. Today I'll be giving you the homework. You will get your homework after the classes, and if you see this bio sketch properly, if you pay attention properly in the class, you will get to know how to write it. Beta, in message writing, I have observed some students didn't get to know the actual format of message writing. Why? Because they are not attentive in the class. They just come to class for leisure, for fun making. कि friends को देख लेंगे या कोई बात कर लेंगे. This is really very wrong. आपको ऐसा नहीं करना है. If you are attending the class, if you are sitting physically in the class, that means you need to be attentive in the class. Okay, you need to be attentive in the class. So sample bio sketch. Before writing the bio sketch, let's just look into the hints or clues of the bio sketch. So the question is, attempt a bio sketch on Kiran Bedi based on the clues given. So in this slide, I'm going to give you clues regarding the personality of Kiran Bedi, and I hope everyone knows who is Kiran Bedi. So first of all, age around 65 years. Appearance, robust physique, pleasing and dynamic personality. Pleasing means जो आपको बहुत सूद करे, आपको बहुत खुशी दे. Dynamic means not concerned to only one field but multi-talented. Dynamic है, हर तरफ, मतलब कि वो personality उसकी हर तरफ उसकी personality के चर्चे हैं, या she is very active in all the fields. And robust physique means बहुत एक रोब वाली, जिसको हम बॉडी कहते हैं, फिगर कहते हैं, वैसी वाली. Then family, what is there in her family? Second of 4 daughters means she is at second number, and her parents have 4 daughters, तो वो दूसरे नंबर पे है. Born into an extraordinary family with visionary parents. See the word visionary. Visionary means when you have that vision to look forward into the future. So her parents were really very visionary, because they had that idea or imagination that they could look into the future. उनको पता था कि आगे उनके बच्चे किस फील्ड में जा सकते हैं या उनको क्या करवाना है. So with the help of her visionary parents, she was successful in her life because her parents guided her, her parents supported her, और उन्होंने उसको एक अच्छा रास्ता बताया था, क्योंकि वो विजनरी थे. उनको पता था कि उनके बच्चे में क्या कैपेबिलिटी है. Right? So look into the future with your imagination or with your ideas. That is known as visionary. Education. So what about her education? She got bachelor's degree in English in 1968 and master's in political science. Then she did LLB. LLB means law, from Delhi University, and then she did her PhD in 1993 from IIT Delhi. Next, coming to profession. Yes, profession. She is so famous personality that the children of our ages, जो हमारी एज के भी चिल्ड्रन हैं, they know किरण बेदी very well. सबको किरण बेदी के बारे में पता है, and I hope you also know it because she is so famous and so renowned personality. She was the first woman officer in the Indian Police Service and she joined IPS in 1972. She was IPS, means Indian Police Service, and she was the first woman officer. यहाँ से उसने एक लेडीज के लिए एक नया रास्ता खोला था and she was the first woman officer. Then she had Inspector General of Asia's biggest jail. She had been the Inspector General of Asia's biggest jail, that is the Tihar jail, in 1993. And after 1993, her life took a huge turn and then she became so famous and renowned, right? Now coming on to awards. So which awards did she get? She got President's Gallantry Award in 1979, Raymond Magsaysay Award in 1974 and many other prestigious award. अगर आपको many other बोला गया हो तो that means उसको बहुत सारे awards मिले हैं, but ये जो दो हैं बहुत ही बड़े और बड़े ही famous और एक जो उसकी किसी की लाइफ में टर्न लेके आते हैं, ये वो वाले अवार्ड्स हैं. अगर हमें बाकी के अवार्ड्स में नहीं बताया गया है, so we cannot write about those awards because we don't know and we have told about just these two awards, then we'll definitely mention these two awards in our bio sketch. So these are the hints that you have been given. Okay, so how to write a bio sketch? Okay, recognition the super cop of India. उसको super cop of India के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. Cop होता है police officer. Now just see the bio sketch how to write based on those clues. Dr. Kiran Bedi, because she has done PhD, that is why she is called doctor. Dr. Kiran Bedi is a powerful cop with a robust physique and a pleasing and dynamic personality. देखिए जो फर्स्ट लाइन हमने फर्स्ट क्लू हमें मिला था उसके बेस पर हमने ये लिखा है उसकी अपीयरेंस के बारे में और उसकी एज के बारे में. Then 65 years old Kiran Bedi was born as the second of 4 daughters into an extraordinary family with visionary parents. सब लाइंस आपको याद होंगी, अभी मैंने आपको क्लूज में बताई थी. She got a bachelor's degree in English in 1968, then a master's degree in political science, then she did her LLB from Delhi University and after that she did her PhD degree from IIT Delhi in 1993. So हमने last degree के बारे में बता दिया कि वो उसने 1993 में की थी because we have been given this thing only in our clues. She became the first woman officer in Indian Police Service in the year 1978. Her career took a huge turn when she became the Inspector General of Asia's biggest jail, the Tihar jail, in the year 1993. After that, she came into recognition. फिर उसको recognition मिलना शुरू हुआ था and her career took a huge turn in 1993. She has won many awards. उसको काफी सारे awards मिले हैं. And those awards are President's Gallantry Award in 1979, Raymond Magsaysay Award in 1994 are a few among the many other prestigious awards she won. क्योंकि हमें नहीं पता उसको बाकी के कौन से मिले, so we just wrote this way are a few among many other prestigious awards she won. She is regarded as the super cop of India. बेटा mute yourself. सुपर कॉप एक बहुत ही अच्छी रिकॉग्निशन है इस लेडी के लिए. कॉप होता है पुलिस ऑफिसर एंड शी इज नोन एज द सुपर कॉप ऑफ इंडिया. And I hope this is clear to you. Bio sketch is clear to you. How to write it, how to use the clues, and how to describe the personality. Thank you so much, beta.